Spending hundreds on AI tools, you might be wasting money. Today we're revealing the best free AI tools that rival premium options and when paid versions actually matter. Free AI tools have leveled the playing field for creators and freelancers. ChatGPT and Canva's AI features deliver professional results without subscriptions. But there's a catch. Limitations like usage caps and feature restrictions exist. We'll show you which free tools genuinely compete with paid alternatives and where you'll hit walls. Number 3. Perplexity AI Real-Time Research and Citations. Number 3. Canva's AI Real-Time Research and Citations. Number 3. Canva's AI Design Tools Stunning Visuals in Minutes. Number 4. Descript Edit Videos like Documents. Number 5. All completely free with optional premium upgrades. Pay for AI tools when you need unlimited usage, priority support, or advanced features. Premium ChatGPT plus $20 AI Custom and $N gives GPT-4 access and faster responses. Runway for video editing, $55, $, advanced AFX free versions lack. Calculate if a tool saves you 5 hours weekly, the investment pays for itself. Start free tools try easy. Many creators succeed entirely on free plans. Measure actual productivity gains, only upgrade when limitations block your work. This approach saves money while maximizing tools. Many creators succeed entirely on free plans by combining multiple tools smartly. Found this helpful? Like this video.